Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Cell from Dragon Ball Z. It's going to be easy and for beginners, okay? So I think you'd be able to do this. It's just kind of Cell's head for the most part. So yeah, we're going to do this step by step. First thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to be using a marker. You can use a pencil. Pretty much it. So let's get started, okay? First thing I do here is I'm gonna start kind of like where his brow is, which is also the bottom of his hat. Kind of like a curved line down. He's gonna be looking a little bit that way. It's like 3/4 that way. Pulling across the bottom of his hat. Don't make it too big because it's pretty high up. I'm assuming he's like based on a beetle, right? Up over here. Up just a tiny bit here. Curve up for that first part of the hat. Gonna go over here on the other side now, and I'm gonna pull down just a bit, out, up, got the edge of that hat over here. I'm a huge Dragon Ball fan. Love Dragon Ball forever. So I haven't seen Super though. That's actually something I have to do. I know it's been out for like a while, and I just haven't got around to it. Up over here, in for kind of the brow area. I'm gonna probably do the bottom of the face before I start going into the rest of his hat. Go over here. You're gonna see his eye. It's gonna be like the inside of his eye. I'm gonna pull a straight line out over here, and then I'm gonna pull up. Okay, gonna go here to the nose. So the nose is gonna be obviously near the face. Out over here. Curve. Just a little bit for the nose itself. I'm going to pull a line from the nose up a little bit, not too far. And then I'm going to pull down here. Alright. Let's do the far side eye now. Down over here, far side eye. Same thing, straight line. And then we're going to pull up. Alright. Let's find the mouth. Literally just a straight line. Give him like a little smile, because I know Cell, this is Perfect Cell by the way. Perfect Cell's really smiley. I don't know, I guess because he's like perfect. He's got nobody, after him. Curve under here. He's got nobody that'll match him, at least for a while there. Curve right here for the other eye. Dot over here for the center. Dot over here for the center. Alright, let's find the far side of the face. So I'm going to find the far side of the face over here. I'm going to pull out and down into the chin there. Curve for the bottom of the chin on this side. Gonna pull up at an angle. Then I'm pulling a line here, edge of the jaw here. That's gonna run into this line over here, which is gonna be that block on the side of his ear. He's got this like head strap. Alrighty. Up. Line, line, line right here. Square for the inside of his ear or whatever, that head strap. Line over here as well. We're going to draw some lines across on the inside there. And over here we're going to pull a line down. It's going to be thinner line though. And we're going to have a line come down from the side of his face over here. So it's going to come down here. It's going to pull at an angle downward, like along the edge of the jaw. It's going to pull up, cross, down. Go over here from the eye, down. So he's got that purple over here. Line, down. Makes him look a lot more like, you know, like Perfect Cell. Alright. Line over here, line over here. It's kind of for the inside of the area. Gonna find a line over here from the back of his head. Line out. Over here around finding the Adam's apple area. Down. Line in here. Line over here. And what you could do is he has these chest plates, so you could do this. Right here. Boom, boom. Line, line. Into the side. But we're not really concentrating on his body, so we're just gonna throw these bumps there for as a vignette. Let's go into the hat. Hat's really gonna make him look like Cell. Angle over here for the back of the hat. Now we're gonna go up pretty high, uncomfortably high. And we're gonna go down and try to aim at this, but also keep a curve. Like so. That could even be higher, to be honest, but we're good with there. Line over here. In. Up on the far end. Try not to go above the other one. You could though. Down, but I'm not gonna go all the way down yet. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the top of his head over here. Like there. Then I'm gonna keep pulling down. Right on. Go around here, pull a long line along that line. Out. And same thing over here, maybe thinner in the back here. It's pretty hard, you know. And then fill this in. Honestly, you can fill it in with a pencil easier, but just kind of, since I have the marker, I'm just going to fill this whole thing in. Line over here. Fill out this line. Alright. Let's go into the pattern on his hat. So go with a thinner line. And I'm going to be drawing this blotchiness. There's no... You can just make them look like little amoebas. I imagine that I'm drawing like rocks. But it gets smaller here along the rim. Just imagine I'm drawing rocks. And you can draw some coming around the edge of the other side because it's supposed to be the same. Just along the edge there, nothing too wild. Alright. Something else you could do is you could thicken up the lines in the eye a little bit, because he kind of looks like he's wearing eyeliner as well in the anime, you know, in the show. Right on. And that is it. That is perfect cell. I'm gonna draw a little bit more here. Just gonna give him some more menace. And if you want, I don't want to draw the shine, you can draw another line there. A pull line in here, and then fill this in as well, because he has a little bit of shine there on the top of his head. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, I am missing something. Go to the far side over here and draw a block on the far end, because he has that strap over there. That's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. If you did like the video, do me a huge favor and press the I'm gonna draw a line out there. Press the share button and the like. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe. I basically post 3 times every day. No one else does that, and I add everything to a playlist. So go check out the playlist section for stuff that you want to see. Throw some lines there. But that is, you know, kind of it really. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, I reply to every single comment. So reach out to me and I will talk to you. All right, talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.